In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show archived projects in Asana. If you've ever archived a project in Asana and then struggled to find it again, this walkthrough will clear that up. We'll go step by step through where archived projects live, how to filter for them, and how to bring a project back if you need to keep working on it. Start by opening Asana in your browser and logging into your account so you land on your main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left side of the screen. This is your main navigation panel where you normally see your teams, projects, and favorites. In that left panel, find the section labeled Projects. Right next to the word Projects, there's a small downward pointing arrow. This arrow controls how you browse and organize your projects. Click on that small arrow. A menu will appear with a few options for viewing projects. From that list, choose the option called Browse Projects. This will take you to a dedicated page that shows a more complete list of projects, instead of just the few that fit in the sidebar. On the Browse Projects page, look towards the top area of the screen. You'll see some sorting and filtering options that help you narrow down which projects you're looking at. One of these options is labeled Status. This is important, because by default, Asana may only be showing active projects, which means archived ones are hidden from view. Click on the Status filter. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices, such as active, archived, or possibly other status options depending on your setup. From this drop-down, select Archived. The list of projects on the screen will refresh, and now you should see all of the projects that have been archived for this workspace or team. Take a moment to scroll through this list and confirm that the project you're looking for is there. You can click on any archived project name to open it and review its tasks, conversations, and details, just like you would with an active project. If you decide that you want to restore one of these archived projects and make it active again, it's easy. First, click the archived project to open it in your main screen. Once the project is open, look in the top right corner of the project view. You'll see an option labeled Restore. Click Restore, and Asana will unarchive the project and return it to your list of active projects. That's all you need to do to show and restore archived projects in Asana.